Well, take 54. Guys, I'm just struggling to make this video, but I'm trying just to save myself a lot of typing in future as I do try to get the guys settled each month. I'm Nico Zandberg. I'm doing the cups in the club. I'm just trying to get you guys or explain the basics of the leagues and cups. First of all, welcome to the club. I think if you take your time working through the forum, and also asking questions and just playing your games and interacting with the members, you'll find there's no place like SEL on WGT. Secondly, I'm a Afrikaner from South Africa, so English isn't my first language. You just excuse the accent and a bit of a stutter now and again. I'm trying my best, but hopefully this will work. So let's start off with the forum itself. We'll go down here to leagues and cups. You just click on the SEL Leagues uh, tab, go down to the Spring League Championship. Give it a bit of time and you'll see a screen opening here. There you go. With all the different divisions at the club. To start off, you will be here, right here at the bottom. You'll see a feeder division. You basically get points in your first season for completing league fixtures and also for the score that you actually post. Of course, like golf is, the lower the score, the better your points in the leaderboard will be. If you finish in the top few places, you'll get promoted to Division 6. And from there on, you will try and work your way up to Premier Division. Ending in the last three will get you dropped to division, so it's promotion, relegation, basically. Most of you, as I said, will start in the feeder division. Just to explain for next month, hopefully you all make it up to the next division. You just go to the bottom here and you click on fixtures, and then this will open. Um, just go to the bottom there, and then you can slide to the different divisions, the fixtures. So basically, how this works is you, as I said, when you have head-to-head fixtures, when you qualify for the leagues, you'll start off with Division 6. Then you'll have your fixtures. This means it's League Fixture 1. And let's take an example. You have Buckwheat against Neil Robb. So when you go to the WGT screen, maybe I should just show you. If you go to the club screen here, of course all these tournaments will be available on the new version as well. My country club, click on club tournaments, open tournaments, and you'll see on here you've got all the tournaments for the week that has been set up. So your first seven fixtures for the league season has already been set for this week. You'll see, as I said, League 1. You go back to your Pro Boards, you see that corresponds to this one. So in this specific fixture, Buckwheat against Neil Robb, the lower score wins it. You just post a score. If you beat your opponent, you get points, and then for a draw, you get 3 points, 5 for a win, and 1 for completing the fixture. Just a word of advice: please don't withdraw, as you won't get any points either in the fixture or the feeder league or in the actual leagues once you've made that. Um, so please don't withdraw from that. Now, that's basically the leagues. Try and work your way up. We go back to the forum. You click on this button. You just click on SEL Forum. Let's go to the cups and try and explain this to you. Now, if you click on that, everything between this red and blue line, those are the cups that have been set. So you just click on SEL Knockout Cup for instance, give it a bit of time to load, and there's your fixtures. You can drag it and see all the fixtures. Round 1, as you see there, it's also league fixture 1. So each league fixture on WGT counts for both league and then a cup. So like the naming of it says, League 1 plus SEL Cup preliminaries. So that will be in the SEL Cup. It will be this round. Same principle with the SEL Knockout Cup. Lowest score progresses to the next round up until the Magnificent 7 week, which is basically the finals week. It works like the leagues. Also, those fixtures double as cup fixtures. Um, so each one of you have been entered into the SEL Knockout Cup. Um, Everybody's in there. It's a single knockout cup. It works with a draw. That's a bit of a twist in this. The lowest seeded player, let's just go back here and I'll show you. Um, each one has a seed. Like, for instance, now in this fixture, M. Stanway is 64th and Clive has been rated 65th. So if Clive and M. Stanway post exactly the same score, the lowest seed actually goes through on a giant killer rule. In the other cups, in case of a draw and a knockout round, which I'll show you now, it goes on WGT countdown. Alright, let's go back to the cups and you'll see, as I said, everybody has been entered into the SEL Knockout Cup. Then you will either be in the King's Tier Cup or the Rising Stars Tier Cup, depending on your current tier and average. The King's Tiers is a higher tiered players. For this month, for instance, you've got about half of the tour legends and above uh, in this cup, and then the rest of the tour legends and below in the Rising Stars Cup. So how does this screen work? Easy. Find your name, click on matches, and there you go. So round 1, league fixture 6, as you see on this screen, tier cup group match. So it corresponds to that, and then just over the next few weeks, play your fixtures. If you in the first 2 spots, you progress to the final stage, the last 16 quarterfinals, and so on. Then the third Stroke Play Cup, it's the Ranking Cups. Now this month we don't have a Hopefuls Ranking Cup. We normally start there. Most of you should be in this Challengers Ranking Cup over time. As you climb your rankings at the club, you will move into the Big 40 Rankings Cup. So just click again on the Challengers Ranking Cup. Same principle, wait for it to load. Find your name and then just click on matches, and there's your matches. First 2 go through to the knockout stages. There's also I can just show you this as well. You've got the CTTH Knockout Cup, and then okay, you won't qualify for that. That's basically last season you had to play at least 3 of the CTTH events to qualify for this. I haven't set this month. I'm still waiting for last month's table, so I'll set this for the same lowest score progresses, and then you've got a Masters or Juniors Cup. You'll see on the tournament page. I'm not sure if Topper has set it yet. You'll probably set it tomorrow. Let's just see. Yeah, you'll see it says CTDH Event 1 to 14. If that's something that interests you, just go back to the SEL forum. 14 events over the next 4 weeks. Click on, where is it now? Here, you see CTH League. Click on that. Click on the Sprint Tour Championship, and again it will load up here, and there's your score. So there's 14 events over the 4 weeks. Your best 10 scores will count towards your final tally in here, and that qualifies you for next month's cups as well. Also, then, as you saw on the cup screen again, there's a Masters and Juniors Cup. Just play CTTH event 1 to 3 to qualify. If you post a score on all three of those, I'll enter you automatically into these three things. I don't want to go on about the other things. I could make a video for you guys on a few things that you struggle with. Just ask. I would like to show you something pretty cool in here. Just go to the official SEL rankings. So what counts towards your rankings? Just click on, you see pages 1. That will have the rankings for the week. And this is the rankings for this week. That will also the top 40 will go into the big 40 rankings cup, the next 40 into challenges, and then if there's a hopefuls cup, that the rest of the field will go in there. But as you post scores in the league fixtures or Magnificent 7 fixtures, you will go up the rankings, just like the official golf rankings of the PGA Tour. You'll see Buckwheat here in 106th place, but he's just starting off. He'll move up in time. So yeah, guys, I tried my best here, so I hope this helps you a little bit. If you have any questions, please ask it, and I will gladly answer the questions, or even if it's maybe about one of the other tournaments that you can find on the forum, I'll try my best to explain that to you as well. I could make another video. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Play your fixtures, and good luck.